On a crisp January morning, the air was thick with concern within the sleek glass walls of TikTok's headquarters. Lawyers, public relations gurus, and technology experts hustled through the corridors. The news of the looming nationwide ban weighed heavily on everyone's mind, like an invisible specter. The company had filed an emergency appeal with the Supreme Court, seeking to delay a law that mandated a divestiture from its Chinese parent company, or face a nationwide shutdown. They argued on the grounds of the First Amendment, claiming that the ban would silence a vital platform for communication. The deadline loomed ominously, set for January 19th, just a day before the inauguration of a new president. The atmosphere was equally tense in Washington. Chief Justice John Roberts, tasked with handling emergency appeals from the D.C. Circuit, found himself at the crossroads of technology, politics, and law. Meanwhile, outside TikTok headquarters and across the nation, content creators, once just a quirky group performing dance challenges in their bedrooms, were now activists thrust onto the main stage of constitutional debate. They too had approached the Supreme Court, emphasizing their reliance on the app. The appeals from TikTok and its users were tinged with urgency. A temporary shutdown would inflict irrevocable harm on many, prompting fears of lost livelihoods, muzzled voices, and decimated communities. The app wasn't just a source of income or entertainment, it had become a cornerstone for societal discourse. As TikTok lawyered up, the political arena buzzed with conjecture. President-elect Trump, whose campaign once championed saving TikTok, faced questions about how he would act. During press conferences at Mar-a-Lago, Trump expressed ambiguous support, blending earnest fondness with strategic political calculus. The stakes were monumental for ByteDance, TikTok's parent company. The law's significant divestiture ban clause, legislated by large bipartisan majorities and signed by President Biden in April, aimed to curb potential national security threats tied to foreign entities. The government argued these ties were too close. Yet, TikTok and its creators didn't see themselves as a danger. They believed passionately in their message to the court that the app posed no imminent threat to national security, and an interim injunction was justified to allow the incoming administration to determine its stance. The Supreme Court rarely granted emergency relief. TikTok's challenge was indeed among rare cases, poised precariously between competing interpretations of security and liberty.